Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, I want to make a more difficult example ng chain rule with trigonometric functions, no? So para ma-practice din natin yung derivatives natin of trigonometric functions. So we have here tan squared of sine of x cubed. No? So we want to take the derivative. Okay? So we have fx. So alam natin na tan squared, this is just equal to tan of sine of x cubed. Tama? All squared. No? So, bakit natin rini-write as something like this? So, ngayon, mas kita natin kung ano yung outer function. So, yung outer function is yung x squared. No? So, if we take the derivative, so yung outermost function natin is yung x squared. So, this is 2 times tan of sine of x cubed. Okay? Then, ano yung derivative nung nasa loob? So, yung tangent naman, no? So, anong derivative ng tangent? That is secant squared of x. So, in this case, secant squared of sine of x cubed. Okay? And then, yung derivative naman ngayon ng sine. No? So, derivative ng sine is cosine. So, cosine of x cubed times yung innermost is x cubed. So, this is just 3x squared. So, yung derivative ng tan squared sine of x cubed is 2 tan sine x cubed times secant squared x of sine x cubed times cosine x cubed times 3x squared. No? So, makikita natin na outermost is yung x squared, susunod yung tangent, yung susunod yung sine, then susunod yung x cubed. No? So, inisa-isa natin na kinuha yung derivative nila sa bawat term. Okay? So, this is for this video and I hope to see you in the next videos.